guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial I am going to show you JioHotstar is rolling out its new feature ChatGPT like option inside the JioHotstar app. So when you open the JioHotstar, here you can get the ChatGPT icon as you can see guys in my screen. Okay, so what is this option and what is this AI feature, how to use it, everything I will going to explain you. This new icon inside the app is an AI based assistant feature. It is designed to help user find content faster, get recommendation, improve user experience. Okay, this is not a full chat gpt, it is a built-in AI assistant similar to chat gpt but limited to app feature only. Okay, what you can do with it? Okay, you can search movie or shows faster by using this AI voice assistant. You can discover trending topic, or you can get the live cricket match suggestion from here. You can get the scorecard, everything. Okay, by voice you can also use it, by typing you can also use this feature. Okay, share your question to this, it will quickly respond to you. So it will quickly answer you as you can see guys in my screen. So why this feature matter in the JioHotstar app? So streaming app are not adding AI to keep user engaged, improve search, personalize content. This is the feature of streaming app only. Okay, so in case the option is not getting in your app, at that time you need to update your app. So I am using iPhone, so open the app store. If you are using Android phone, open the Play Store and search for JioHotstar app, and if the app update is available, simply go ahead, update the app, and then you can get this AI feature. Okay, in the JioHotstar home screen only. So now you know this is not a chat gpt but a smart AI feature inside the Hotstar app. Hotstar is rolling out this feature. If you found this video useful, subscribe to Smart Tech Junction.